No?
You did, didn't you? You always do this. Okay.
Go for it.
We're at Dairy Queen.
Yeah, tell me what they're doing.
We're at Dairy Queen.
Yeah.
Trying out these what are they?
I should probably change.
Strawberry dipped blizzard, chocolate
I got
blizzard.
this.
Cheesecake. It's
It's
cheesecake
super
too.
good.
It's yes.
I didn't try it yet,
You
but
already tried?
It's strawberry with cheesecake.
it's
It's
dipped
blizzard
strawberry
with
cheesecake. Yeah, it's blizzard. She
Besides
just
Kalina,
she just got a normal Oreo blizzard. So
but
yeah.
it's chocolate ice cream.
Oh, we got an from Pedro Colina.
But she didn't give us.
All right, here we go. On 3.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Yum yum. Yum.
Ooh, there's like strawberry cake.
I actually like that.
There's supposed to be like cheesecake pieces in there, I think.
There is. See?
Yeah, there is. It's also like chocolate.
Look at this way.
Well.
This is super
I feel like I don't got a cheesecake. Oh, there's. Oh my goodness, it's like buried. I can't get it.
It's also frozen.
All right, real quick. What do you think, Hater Cleanup? 1 to 10.
a 1-1.
A 1 and a 1, so 11? Yeah? What do you have? You remember what you have?
A burger.
You have a chocolate Oreo blizzard.
All
What do you think,
of
Riley?
mine.
1 to 10.
I would give it like a 8.5.
2 red. I'm gonna give it like a 9. I like this.
Yeah, this is
How do
really
you feel?
good.
I'm giving it an 8. An 8.
I give it.
I'm a cheesecake snob.
I give it an 8.7.
The end. The end.
Wait, I give it 8.8. Hey, all my cheesecake comes on the top. Like, I don't have any.